Welcome to this demo of Unlock. Unlock is a protocol which enables creators to monetize their content with a few lines of code in a fully decentralized way. It's built on the Ethereum blockchain, so it's fully permissionless. You don't need to ask anybody to use it, and you can get up and running with a paywall that charges for access to your content in just a few minutes. Let's see how that works. So, to get started, here's a fake blog that I've created for this purpose. For this first release of Unlock, we're concentrating on self-publishers who are familiar with using cryptocurrencies to pay for things and have an audience that is also familiar with crypto. So that's what this blog is about, the emerging decentralized web. It's just a free-to-access weblog with some text-based posts. But I think some of my content is useful for professionals in the crypto space, so I want to monetize it. I'm not interested in using ads because I frankly don't have the millions of users a month I would need to make real money using them, and also I simply don't believe in them. But there's enough of an audience that I think would pay real money to read it, so I want to use a paywall. So I'm going to visit the Unlock website. I'm going to click through to my dashboard, which loads all of the locks I've made in the past and are sitting on the blockchain. I can place locks on my content as a paywall, and users can purchase keys to those locks using Ethereum. Once they've purchased a key, they can access my content. Notice that I'm identified by my Ethereum address and that I have an existing balance. So let's create a new lock for my blog. Notice that I can set a friendly name, add a duration that key purchasers will be able to access my content for, and say how many keys in total I want to sell. In this case, I want to sell an infinite number, and I'll sell them for 0.01 ETH, which is about $1. So I'm going to click Submit, and I'm going to approve the MetaMask transaction. My lock will be saved to the blockchain, and once it's hit the correct number of confirmations, I'm free to use it. So my lock has been confirmed on the blockchain. First, let's preview what it looks like. Cool, that looks great. So let's take the embed code, which is just 2 HTML tags, insert them into my blog HTML, and let's take a look. Great, so there's our paywall. My content is protected, and to purchase it, readers just click this button and confirm the transaction in MetaMask. And after a few moments, it's available to read. So my payment has been confirmed, and I can click this button to go to my content. And because all my content was protected with the same lock, I can read all of it, even though all of it was protected. So let's go back to the dashboard and reload. And we can see that there is actually a balance on this lock. So we can hit withdraw, confirm the transaction, and that's saved to my Ethereum balance. So that's Unlock. You can create as many locks as you want and sell as many keys as you want in just a few minutes without asking anybody for permission. You can use our hosted service, or you can take a copy and run it on your own server. Visit unlock-protocol.com to learn more.